I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Buchi Cebu. Buchi Cebu, the home of our favorite sesame balls, now offer buchi in different variants. They have it in ubi, they also have it in ubi cheese, no murag ubi cheese pandesal lang no nga runner-up din ni sila sa ubi cheese pandesal sa Sunstar's Best. They also have a yema cheese, and lastly, they have a choco buchi. You can have this choco buchi for 60 pesos ang 6 pieces, and grabe kausing yun iyang chocolate nga feeling. And now we are trying their yema cheese. For this one, you can have this as 55 pesos ang 6 pieces. And this ubi cheese buchi for 60 pesos ang 60 pieces. And lastly, of course, ang ilahang bestseller nga ubi buchi, which is at 55 pesos ang 6 pieces. To order, you may message your official social media accounts or you may contact 0923-686-9917. They can arrange the delivery for you, and the pickup site will be an In-N-Go hotel at Quezon, Cebu City. So for that, unahon gid nato ang ilahang ubi cheese nga buchi. So well, kung ganahan mo ubi cheese pandesal, imagine na naa siya sa buchi. So grabe jud siya kalami, guys. And now we are trying their ubi. Their ubi buchi ang ilahang bestseller. Why? Because of course, wag na ubi halayaw isugod sa buchi. So grabe jud kaayo siya kalami. And now we're trying their chocolate. So well, chocolate sulod sa buchi, mas perfect na. And lastly, we are trying their yema cheese. So cheese inside a buchi nga murag yema nga milky. Grabe siya ka creamy, lamig jud kaayo. But if ever you have to ask me, for me ang favorite nako ang ilahang chocolate. See? Murag mahurot din ako ang 6 pieces. Bitaw guys, oy. Always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me on my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!